Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video we are going to talk about all the objective questions that had appeared in the past university paper under the subject e-commerce and digital marketing. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS Sem V student. In this video we are going to solve first all the objective questions that had come in the past paper, and thereafter we are going to take up some extra MCQs which are very important from the exam point of view. Chalo, so let us start one by one. First is November 2018. It has started off with first MCQs, so you can go through it once. Along with MCQ, the next set of question was true or false. Okay, next was November 2019. It was started with first with true or false. Along with true or false, the next question was MCQ. These are the first set of MCQs. Next, okay, next is November 2022. The first set was MCQs. Next, okay, next April 2023. The first thing was MCQs. Okay, next was true or false. Next, November 2023. First is MCQs. Okay, these are the next set of MCQs. Okay, next was true or false. Next is November 2024. Under that we had first MCQs. Here are the next set of MCQ. Okay, along with that we had true or false. Next is April 25. First set was MCQ. This is the next set of MCQs. Next is true or false. Okay, so those are all the objective questions that had come in the past question papers. Now let us see some extra MCQs that are very important, which can be used in any form. Okay, it can be used in true or false, it can come even in math the column. So let us go one by one. Next, 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 okay, so these are all the important objectives that you'll need to go through. So I hope everyone has noted it. With that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.